Hi, this is a demonstration video for a Toshiba MD20P1. This is a 20-inch CRT TV with a DVD player. Everything works, does not have a remote control with it. So some of the features may not be available due to that. But the basic features are all functional from the front buttons on the TV itself. Let me show you the back here. There's the back, serial number, and model number for reference. So this unit has just one input on the back. Your standard cable TV connector, and then one output. That orange one is the audio out for the digital from the DVD player portion. And that's the connector right there for the cable TV. I've got this hooked to a analog converter box, and I'm getting the signal off of an antenna. This unit right here, getting signal from that rabbit ears, this is converting it down to analog compatible, which is what this TV does. And it's working fine. Right now you're seeing the input here from the front, which is from this DVD player. So you'll see if I pull the video out, it goes away, and I'll show you that the audio is working okay as well.
Go ahead.
If I pull these out, you lose audio.
God even knows when a single hair moves on your head.
So that's all working. Now if you want to change inputs, you just use the channel function up down to go down to the lowest channel. Now it's saying line input, which is still this front input. Game, which is still the front input, same input. DVD, and then channel 4, that is from this tuner off the air. So that's your rear input right there, and you'll see volume
I'm meeting Bill Ashby from
functioning
the Colton Auxiliary Research Team.
just fine. The DVD player also works. Let me eject that. Let's go down to the channel to select the DVD player. Okay. And then we'll hit the open close. We'll slap a DVD in there. Yeah, the banding you're seeing on the screen, that's just because the TV isn't synced up with the camera I'm using to record this video. But you'll see turn the volume going here, and I'm just going to hit the play button at this menu. And we shall get a video playing here with some audio. So audio's working fine. I'll show you that this is going to the next scene here.
This is where only Jay. By what?
So it doesn't really do like a fast forward, but it does go to the next,
Only James.
you know, chapter. When you go
Comes into our story.
skip
She lives with her mom and dad
forward
in the
and
big
back.
city. A few hours train ride from Shining Time.
She sees
That's probably where the
magic
remote
says
might
time
give you
to,
some more
like lovely
functionality.
reflections of light on a rainy.
But it does work. Sound works fine. No problem. Picture looks fine. This would be great for retro gaming. Hit stop. It opens to show you it ejects properly. And yeah, open and close works fine. No problem. And this TV in particular is in fairly good shape. I don't see any damage. There is a couple dings. That's, you know, small dings here and there. You know, maybe some little scrape and scuffs here and there. But in general, it's in good shape. There's some handles on it there for lifting. It is heavy. CRTs are all going to be heavy, especially these 20-inch, 19 and 20-inch units. Yeah. So there you go. Thanks for viewing.